Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to change information on your Facebook profile page. So first of all, you click on your Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you'll see 6 icons: home, watch, marketplace, profile, notifications, and menu. Here you click on profile. After that, you'll be led to your profile settings. You can choose to edit your profile info. You can edit the picture by tapping on it, and you can also edit the cover photo. Then to edit your bio, you click on this and then you can edit the bio. You can say, "Hi, I am friendly," and after that you click on save, and then your info will be updated. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.